Assalamu alaikum my dear students. Good morning. Hope you all are fine. Today is 28 August 2025 and the day is Thursday. Write date and day at the top of the page like this: 28 August 2025 and the day is Thursday. Welcome to math class. In today's class we will learn about ascending order and descending order. Ascending order. Ascending order means arranging numbers from small to big. Arranging numbers from small to big. Like this, I will show you one example. As ascending order means arranging numbers from small to big, or when we move from downstairs to upstairs. When we move from downstairs to upstairs like this: 1 2 3 4 5, downstairs to upstairs. It is called ascending order. Always remember students that in ascending order the number always keeps on increasing. कि जब नंबर इंक्रीज करता है हमारे पास तो इट मीन्स हम इसे क्या कहेंगे? ascending order. In ascending order we should start from the smallest number and ends with the greatest number. कि सबसे small number पे हम लोग start करते हैं, smallest से greatest की तरफ हम लोग जाते हैं. It means इसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? ascending order. एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर मीन्स अरेंजिंग नंबर्स फ्रॉम बिग टू स्मॉल. कि जब हम बिग से स्मॉल की तरफ जाते हैं तो इसको क्या कहते हैं? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. और व्हेन वी मूव फ्रॉम अपस्टेयर्स टू डाउनस्टेयर्स, कि जब हम अपस्टेयर्स से डाउनस्टेयर्स की तरफ आते हैं तो इट मीन्स इसको क्या कहते हैं हम लोग? डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. इट इज़ कॉल्ड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. Always remember that in descending order the numbers always keeps on decreasing. कि जो नंबर होता है वो always decreasing मतलब कम होता है तो it means उसको हम लोग क्या कहते हैं? descending order. In descending order we should start from the greatest number and ends with the smallest number. कि हम लोग सबसे greatest number से start करते हैं और end कहाँ पर करते हैं? smallest number पर. ओके स्टूडेंट्स, लेट्स स्टार्ट. राइट द नंबर्स इन असेंडिंग ऑर्डर. कि जो नंबर्स हैं इनको आप लोगों ने किस ऑर्डर में लिखना है? असेंडिंग ऑर्डर में. अमंग द गिवन नंबर्स विच इज़ द स्मॉलेस्ट नंबर स्टूडेंट्स? 14 is the smallest number. Very good. 14 is the smallest number. And which is the greatest number? 18 is the greatest number. 18 is the greatest number. 14 is the smallest and 18 is the greatest number. So we should start from the smallest number, which is the 14. 1 for 14, then 15, then 16, then 17, and at the last, which is the greatest number? 18. Very good. Which is the greatest number? 18. Here we have 5 more numbers: 45, 26, 31, 28 and 50, 50. 45, 45, 26, 26, 31, 31, 28, 28 and 50, 50. Among the given numbers, students, which is the smallest number? 26. Very good. 26 is the smallest number and 50 is the greatest number. So we should start from the smallest number, which is 2626. Then 2828. Then 3131. Then 4545. And the last, which is the greatest number? 5050. Very good. In descending order, we should start from the greatest number and ends with the smallest number. कि हम लोग greatest number से start करेंगे और end कहाँ पर करेंगे? smallest number पर. So here we have 5 more numbers, and which is the greatest number? 29. 29 is the greatest number, and 25 is the smallest number. So we should start from the greatest number, which is 29. 29, 29. Then smaller 28, 28, 27, 27, 26, 26 and 25, 25. Very good. Again, we have 5 more numbers among the given numbers, which is the smallest number and which is the greatest number. 17 is the smallest number, and okay students, here we have 5 more numbers. Okay students, among the given numbers, which is the smallest number and which is the greatest number? So 17 is the smallest number and 45 is the greatest number. So we should start from the greatest number, which is 45. Then 35, 35. 3 2, 32, 2 1, 21, and 1 7, 17. Very good. Students, in today's lecture, we will discuss about ascending order and descending order. So, I hope आज के लेक्चर आपको अच्छे से क्लियर हो गया होगा. इंशाल्लाह नेक्स्ट लेक्चर में मुलाकात होगी. अल्लाह हाफिज़.